Why are brand values important for your business? Let's explore 3 important reasons. I'm NICOLE Brown from Inspiratti, helping purposeful entrepreneurs build brands and websites with intention, personality, and impact. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. Passion, integrity, diversity, simplicity. These are all examples of brand values. But what are brand values exactly? Brand values are the foundational beliefs an organisation stands for. They are at the heart of what you do. Let's explore 3 reasons why brand values matter to your business. The first reason that brand values matter to your business is that they help you to make decisions. Brand values act like guiding principles for your company. They serve as a compass that guides your actions and decisions. They ensure you are always heading in the right direction and acting in ways that aligns with what your customers expect. There are times in business when we face change, controversy, or upheaval. In these times, we have to make difficult decisions. But when you have strong values to remind you of what's important to your business and who you are serving, making those decisions becomes much easier. You simply need to ask, does this action or choice align with my values? If something doesn't feel quite right, it's not a solid strategy which will serve you in the long term. Once you have made a decision, you can live with those choices feeling reassured that they are informed by your values and aligned with your purpose. In other words, knowing your values helps you to stay true to yourself and make decisions that are in line with your beliefs and ethics. The second reason that brand values matter to your business is that they set you apart in the market. There may be various organisations that offer the same product or service that you offer, but do they make the same promises you make? In today's crowded marketplace, it takes more than price or convenience to ensure customers stay loyal. They want a deeper connection with your brand, and this is where values come in. Your values are unique to you. Having unique core values enables customers to know what you stand for, so they can decide if they want to build a relationship with your business. Customers are looking to align themselves with brands that share their beliefs and values. Having strong values can really help you to stand out to the people that really care about the things that you do. Determining your brand values enables you to create a unique and meaningful identity that sets you apart. You can communicate your values not only through your messaging and marketing communications, but also through the visual aspects of your brand, such as your logo and brand colours. The third reason why brand values matter to your business is that they help you to attract the right people. Being clear on your brand values will help you attract the right people. After all, people want to do business with companies that align with their values. People are always looking to relate and feel part of something bigger, and brand values play an important role in making that connection. When they see you put these values into action in how they experience your brand, they are more likely to buy again and stay loyal to your brand. For example, if one of your brand values is quality, and customers can see that value is incorporated into everything, including the products, packaging, behaviour of the staff, they will know it's not just a word that makes you sound good, but how you do business. But strong values are not just important for attracting customers. They also help you to attract and retain the right partners, employees, and other stakeholders in your business. In conclusion, the values you choose to represent your business affect the actions you take, how you present your brand, and who you attract to your business. It's important to identify values that are authentic and meaningful to your business. Brand values are not just a series of words that you put on your website or in your notepad. They should be integral to your business strategy, marketing, recruitment, and operations, now and in the future. They are guiding principles for your actions. It's therefore important to spend time not only identifying the right values, but also how to implement them across your business on a day-to-day level. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel.